Hi, my name is Dr. Jenny Samaan, and I serve as a Senior Medical Education Consultant with CFHI. We're really pleased to share with you today our newest educational modules called Pillars of Global Health. Currently, there are 7 modules. They are Global Health Definitions and Discourses, Planetary and One Health, Global Health Ethics, Cross-Cultural Effectiveness and Adaptability, that we'll delve into greater detail in a few minutes, social determinants of health, diversity, equity, health, and health disparities, and finally, global burden of disease. These are fully online modules, and students can start and stop them at any time. Now let's take a deeper dive into the cross-cultural module. We know that research tells us that the association between cross-cultural awareness training and students feeling fully prepared to work and function effectively in another culture hinges largely on preparedness. So we've incorporated 2 tools. The first is Aperian Global's GlobeSmart. It takes these 5 dimensions of culture that are depicted here on this slide and has built a tool around them. A student takes answers a set of questions, and GlobeSmart creates an individual profile. On this slide, what you see on the left-hand side is Ted. He is depicted in the blue line, where he falls on the 5 different dimensions of culture. Ted, who will be working with Ugandans, is then able to superimpose Uganda and their predominant cultural values on these 5 different dimensions, so that he can see how similar or dissimilar he is to those people that he will be working and interacting with. Not only will he be able to see the differences, but he'll be able to have guidance that helps him to understand how to work more effectively using the various cross-cultural insights that he has gained. Another way this tool can be used is if a group of students are going abroad, they can compare their own GlobeSmart profiles to others on the team that's going, and therefore they can have a very in-depth discussion about, again, how similar or dissimilar they are to one another. We've also incorporated another tool called the Intercultural Effectiveness Scale, designed by the COSI group. This is a different kind of an inventory that a student takes. It's a 60-question inventory, and the student then has a very detailed 30-page report that provides quantitative details on whether they fall into the low, moderate, or high range on a variety of aspects of intercultural effectiveness. Now, we ask that students take this report and this information that they have about themselves and develop a personal professional development plan. We know that increasing cross-cultural capacity, awareness, and the ability to navigate well through cultures is a lifelong journey. And so we ask students to figure out which are their weakest, which areas they'd like to work on, how they will do that, and then how they will hold themselves accountable. I hope you've enjoyed this detailed look into our cross-cultural module, and I look forward to navigating you through others in the future. We hope you'll contact me if you have other questions. Thank you.